Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to send automated emails in Outlook. The first thing you'll need to do is to create a PowerShell script. In order to do this, we're going to use our text editor. We're going to right click on our desktop, click New and select Text Document. Then we're going to name this Automated Mail Script. Then open your text document. Then we're going to paste in this script. Now this might look like a lot, however, you just need to take note of the subject and the body. Now you can see the script right here. We can see the recipient under mail to, and then the subject, which is report, and the mail body, please submit report on Friday. And then we're basically saying send this mail. If you'd like to use this, it will be in the description of this video. So now that we have this, we're going to go over to File, and then make sure to click on Save As. Now we're going to give it a file name, menu request, and because it's a PowerShell document, we're going to say PS1, and then for type, we're going to say all. Then click Save, and now this document is saved. The next thing we'll need to do is on our keyboard, press on Windows R, then type in task schd.msc. Press OK, and this will open our task scheduler. So here we're going to click on Create Basic Task. Then we're going to give this task a name, then click Next. Then we're going to choose weekly as our frequency, click on Next. Then we're going to specify when it's going to start and the day of the week. So we're going to choose Friday and the start date will be set. Then click on Next. Then we have some options here. Just select Start a Program. Click Next. Then you're going to select the program. So you're going to click on Browse, go to your desktop, and then select Menu Request. Select it, and then press it Open. And then we're going to click on Next, and then click Finish. Now, once the designated day and time arrives, you will have this message sent. So this is how to send automated emails in Outlook.